Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samirazi Fashion YouTube channel. Today we are making a simple pencil dress. It's going to have a v-neck at the front and it's very short fitted one. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch this video to the end.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Samirazi Fashion channel. So this is the material that we are using to make our dress. So it's a doll face, and the neck is v-neck that we want to use and cut it. So this is the fabric and this is how we lay it down. So we start with the measurement from the length. The length is 38, adding 1 inch, making it 39 for the hemline. So that is the length of the measurement that we want to use. So you measure it and get your measurement, that is the length now. So we'll start with the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 18, that is 9. So you divide it by 2, that's why we get that length. So we now measure and slant the shoulder. So that is the neck now. So you cut the neck. The neck is 8, so to bring it down is 8, that the cleavage, because it's V, I want it to dip a little. So from the width, neck is 4, so it's 4 that will cut there now. So that is the neck now, that is the V neck. So after getting that sharp neck, you got your V. So that is it now. So that is the V that I'm chalking. I hope the chalk is showing you. Please don't be angry that the chalk is not showing well, but that is the neck now. So you slant the neck, that is the shoulder side, by 1 inch. So that is the slanting of it now. So on that body measurement, that is the armhole. So you mark your bust. Bust is 38, you divide it by 4, it will give you 6.5, and you add your allowance inch. The allowance that I added there is 1.5. So from the shoulder to your waistline, that is where you get your half length. So it's 16, adding 1 inch, that is 16 and a half, because from the shoulder, by the time you sew, it will go away, so that will not shorten it out. So that is the length. So the body measurement of that waist now is 30. You divide 30 by 4, what will it give you? It give you 7.5. And after that, you added your allowance with 1 inch allowance. So that is the 1 inch allowance that I've added there. So from the shoulder to your hip line is 25. So you get your 25 on that line. That is where you get your hip measurement, and divide your hip. The hip is 42. So you divide 42 into 4, what will it give you? Give you 10.5. So you mark your 10.5 on that your hip line. So on the hem line is pencil. Don't forget that we are making a pencil dress. So you shape it and get your measurement. So we're done with the measurement, and now is to connect. So first, from the shoulder, you get your armhole, and from the armhole now you connect. That is where the bust is. So you connect to the waist side. From the waist side, you connect to the hip side. So I'm pointing it out for you to see. So that is the connection there. So after that, you connect it to the hemline. Remember, is pencil dress that we are making. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, make a comment, share the video to a friend. So this is the neck that I want to curve to get the back side, so that we'll use it to cut at the back. So that is the cutting of the neck, is round neck, so that we'll use it for the back side. You bring it by 1 inch and you slant. So you follow your slanting at the shoulder side. So that's what I'm doing there now that I'm cutting. So after that, you cut from the armhole. From the armhole, you cut and get your armhole shape side down. You've cut it out. So from there, you cut at the body side down, and your cutting is done. So that's what I'm doing there now. So that is the cutting of the downside of them, the hemline side, to cut it to the armhole side. So can you see how it is now that it's coming out now? So we are doing the cutting there now. So after that, what next? You just use this front side that we are cutting now to lay it at the back side, and you also cut. So there's no need of making any measurement again. So can you see how it is now? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and watch the video. Do it on your own so that you can sew it by yourself. So this is the actual side of the back now. So I just use the front side that we just cut to lay it on the back side and add your zip allowance. The zip allowance is 1.5 that I've put there, that are marked. So you just take it through the out and you connect it, roll it with your roller, and you cut. So that is the back side of the neck that I'm cutting now, following the neck that we just cut out from the front, so that we'll get that round cut here, because it's the back. Before we now cut the front side of the V, don't forget that it's V neck that we are making on this dress. It's a pencil dress that we are making. So now it's a short length because the length is 38. So that is it. So that is the armhole cutting that I'm cutting there now. So after cutting that, you cut the body side. So that is the cutting, and you open the zip side also. Don't forget, because we add zip on it. It's a pencil one. If you don't have zip, so you can't be able to wear it, because you want to get that fitness. So that is the body side that I'm cutting out now. So after that now, what next? You cut the zip allowance side. So that is the cutting there now. So I'm cutting the V neck now. So can you see how you cut your V if you want to cut it? So you cut it so that you have that sharpness. That's why they call it V neck. So that is the V neck now. You open the zip side of it now. So I'm opening the zip side of it. So that is the length that we are doing there now. So after that is the sleeve, and the sleeve that we want to make is a cup sleeve. It's a smaller length. The length that we will use is 6. So that is it. We've cut the back and the front now. So this is the sleeve now that we are cutting there now. So it's a cup one. The length is 6, and you get your round sleeve. The round sleeve is 7. That is 14. So that is it now. So we've cut it, finish now. So this is the actual outcome of it. After doing that, just for you to go and stitch on the machine and attach it to the body of your gown, and you also remember to iron it. So can you see how it is now? So we have done with the sleeve now. That is the sleeve that we have done. This is the outcome of the dress. Very lovely. Can you see the way it is now? Very beautiful. So subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.